how to edit or remove your background image on Wix. So there are two different background image. The first one, as you know, your Wix site is made by the sections. For example, this was section 1, and then this section promotional, and then this section special offer, and so on. And then if you want to get rid of the image behind the section, for example, this one, I want to get rid of this orange image. What you want to do is click on the specific section, click again until this change background is appear, and then you want to click on it. And if you want to delete the image background, you can just click on none, or to edit it, you can just click on this image or video to replace the image background, or you can change the color too by click right here. And the second one, if you want to get rid of the background image behind the section, or we can call it page background, right here, this one, and right here, you want to go to your left side of your screen right here, and then choose site design, and then you want to go to page background right here, you want to click on it, and right here on the selected backgrounds, you can just choose any of the image to change the image background. For example, I want to change to this one. And don't forget to apply to other pages, so any other pages is changing too. And you can also change the image background to the color or the video. Or if you just want to delete it, you can just choose on color and then choose this white one. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.